Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and eufy sent us their FamiLock S3 Max to try out. You can see what's in the box in our unboxing video. I'll put a link in the description. So the lock doesn't have a fingerprint reader, but it does have a key, a pin pad, and this new palm vein tech. Valerie is very happy about this because she struggles with fingerprint readers. We installed and set up the lock, which was very easy. The only issue I had was connecting the cables. They are short, and big hands might struggle a bit, so be patient. When you set up user access, set the access type, enter their PIN code. Instead of registering a user's fingerprint, you just enroll their palm. We tested the palm reading ourselves and with our friend's 7-year-old, who had no issue enrolling her palm or unlocking the lock.
Open your palm naturally and place it about 4 inches from the palm sensor.
Just one flash of the palm, you don't even touch it. No more wiggling your finger all over the fingerprint sensor. One thing we noticed is that access type cannot be changed once set. You have to start all over again. The FamiLock is available with an inside screen, and you can adjust it in the settings for a better view. If you don't have side windows like us, you can see who is at your door without having to open the app, nor open the door. Much better than a peephole. The inside screen also shows the status of the batteries. And speaking of batteries, this model comes with a big rechargeable battery, plus disposable batteries as backup, which is really handy if you need to charge the main battery. When on battery backup, you can't use all of the fancy features, but you can unlock the door with the PIN code. This lock has auto lock, and you can specify how long before it locks. There is a turn knob inside to lock or unlock the door. Plus, if that is too much of a struggle, there is a button to do the same. You set the lock up with the eufy app via Wi-Fi. If you are a Matter user, you can pair the lock-unlock function to your favorite Matter hub, which means you can make routines that lock or unlock the door as part of your home automation. As for storage, it has 8 gigabytes built in, and if you want, you can connect it to the eufy Homebase. Oh, if you want to go back to internal storage from Homebase, you'll need to repair the lock. Aside from more storage, Homebase adds better motion detection. With a camera, the lock can detect all motion or just persons. If you pair with Homebase, it can also detect pets and vehicles. As for the camera, it does a great job, day and night. Playback is easy with their Events tab in the app. So if you want a lock that unlocks really fast, simply with the wave of your hand, this lock is for you. It's easy for your whole family to use. Thank you for watching.